to thank the Atkins and the county organization for putting this on. This is actually the first time that all the candidates had a chance to come speak together at one group, and it's kind of exciting to hear the other candidates go. And I'll say that all 5 candidates that are running for this seat, they're all great Republicans. And one thing that I promise you is I will never say anything bad about these other candidates, because we have so much at stake in 2012. We have to make sure that we remain united as a party, and certainly all these guys have a lot to offer. Someone asked me when I walked in is, why am I running for state party chairman? And I'll tell you, the reason why I'm running is we have so much at stake in 2012. How Florida votes for our presidential nominee will determine whether or not we have a Republican in the White House in 2012. I don't think we made a great start by electing Rick Scott governor, 19 Republican congressmen, and all the members of the legislature, but we have a long way to go. I don't necessarily think that the Republican Party of Florida was the result. I don't think that they caused the results to happen. I think that we won a lot of these seats because of the frustration that people are feeling around the country with President Obama and his liberal policies. What we have to do moving forward to make sure that we're successful is we have to, number one, we have to restore faith and trust back in the committee. We have to restore trust with the people, and I think that we have to return to the core principles, and we have to energize and engage the base. Just to give you a brief background on myself is, as you said, Chairman, I'm a 4th generation Sarasotan. I've only been on the state committee for 2 years, but I've been active in the Republican Party of Sarasota since I was 15 years old. I come from a non-political family. I went to a small school called Cardinal Mooney. Cardinal Mooney High School, it's a Catholic school, but one of the things that one of the history teachers, my freshman year in 1992, they said, for 10 bonus points, if you go hear Dan Quill speak, I'll give you 10 bonus points. I raised my hand knowing that I needed the points. I went to City Island Park, saw hundreds of people at the rally, and it engaged me in a way to where I knew that I wanted to be involved in the process. And I started walking door to door in high school. During my college years, I went to spring break and I went and worked special elections for the Republican Party of Florida. And then when I came back, I got involved with politics, and I helped organize Vern Buchanan's political career, both from a corporate side and a political side, and where I successfully managed his campaign in 2008. But I spent 10 years on and off with him, managing his race, helping him out, raising millions of dollars. We ran one of the most expensive congressional races in the country, and I think I'm the only candidate that's successfully run local, state, and federal races. I think the other thing that I offer as an individual is in Sarasota County, when I became chairman 2 years ago, and I told somebody, we had people screaming the meeting that I took over. And it wasn't at me, it was at the administration that was in there. We had serious challenges. And I stepped up because there was an opportunity to do a good job. We needed, Sarasota is a swing county. We lost 5 countywide races in 2006, and we needed to do something to reverse the trend. So I got in there and we decided to focus in on communication and technology. We rebuilt our entire program. When the previous chairman left, he took all of his lists with him. We had to start completely from scratch. What I think we need to do as a party, we need to energize and engage the base, and I think we can do that by, A, improving our communication system, our technology system. Who here is a fan of voter vault? Not many people. The problem is the Republican Party of Florida, as a longtime campaign manager for various races, I can tell you that the Republican Party of Florida uses staffing models that are 20 years outdated. We use technology that's 20 years outdated. We need to update these, and we need to improve the system, and we need to improve communication with our activists. We can't, as county parties, think that we could flip a switch with 60 days to go and expect people to flood these headquarters. It's a 2-year process where we have to consistently work it, and we do that. The most important thing we have as chairman and as county leaders is to bring people in and to communicate directly with our voters. We do that by setting up the system. Sid, you're right. We do need technology, the computer system. What I'm going to do, and what we did in Sarasota, was we completely redid our technology. We had a new website, and so we took the website. I'm going to make sure the Republican Party of Florida pays for every county to have a website. And then, on top of that, that's one step. Second step is we're going to make sure that our field reps are trained to be able to handle the communications part of it, and they're going to help you keep the website updated. They're going to help you develop and keep your Facebook and social media networks updated, and they're going to help you with your email systems. And the reason why that's important is once you get these people in, you have to consistently communicate with them. But you can give people the tools and the support, but if you don't have a list, you can't be successful. So how do we build the list? Well, we're going to have a 67 county program where we're going to have things like a legislative bus tour after the legislative session in all 67 counties, where we're going to go stop in every county with the local Republican Party leaders, the local delegation leaders, and anybody that would like to join the bus, and we're going to tell people exactly what happened during the legislature. And the reason why that's important is even if you get 10 people, what happens is you start building that list. And then we're going to have educational type programs. We're going to go to all 67 counties. And again, with the purpose of energizing and engaging them, and then capturing their information, and then later on working their information and getting them to come out and be active volunteers. I think that we have a proven success. Within Sarasota County, we represent 2% of registered Republicans, but according to the VoIP system, we made over 16% of the phone calls. And we led the state in a grassroots effort across the board. And I'm not saying that, but rah, 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 Sarasota is the best. I'm saying it, you could be down here, and you can end up here with a focus and a commitment to doing what's right. As an accountant by trade, one of the most important things in restoring faith and trust in the party is I believe we have to have an open and transparent organization. I think that every committee member should be able to see the books at all times, and I believe in full transparency when it comes to expenses. Number two, I think that we can create the most effective and efficient organization in the country when you combine communication and technology, when you open up the organization and you're fair and you have a chairman that's willing to do what's right. I'm not a Tallahassee insider. I'm not a longtime state committee member. What I am is I'm a lifetime conservative. I'm a Tallahassee outsider. I'm willing to make the tough decisions. I'm not going to Tallahassee to make friends. I'm not going to Tallahassee to be a long-term career Tallahassean. I'm going to go up there, we're going to make a difference, and we're going to win Florida. We're going to carry Florida for our presidential nominee in 2012. We're going to win the state for our U.S. Senate nominee, and we're going to do great things. And together, I hope that you'll join me and support me in making the party the most effective and efficient organization in the country. Thank you very much.